friends, welcome back to my channel Nastrik. Today the topic we are gonna look is career options after class 10th. Science, commerce or arts. This is a common confusion which most of the students face after the class 10th result are out. Many students make mistake while choosing their path just because of their friends or parental issue. Few students are very clear about what they want in their life, but on the other hand, there are many students who are confused and clueless while choosing their career after 10th. Choosing the career path is very crucial. Nowadays, every field a lot of opportunity, but one should always choose according to your interest. So here the top 5 career option after class 10th. First, science. Science offer many career options such as engineering, medical and research role. It is one of the most favorite career option for parents and students. The major advantage of science is after class 12 you can switch science to commerce or science to arts. There are multiple career options after available science after 12th. Physics, chemistry, maths, biology are the main subject in the science stream, but there are many students who don't like math or don't have any interest in it. But if you want to pursue a career in medicine or can skip math, an option for other subject. So the career options of science students is BTech or BE, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, which is called as MBBS. Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Lab Technology, BSc Home Science or Forensic Science. Now second, Commerce. Commerce is the second most popular career option after science. Commerce is best for business. If you are fantastic by numbers, finance and economics, then commerce is for you. It offers a wider variety of career options such as chartered accountant, MBA, investment in banking sector. You must be familiar with accountancy, finance and e-commerce. Career options for commerce students are chartered accountant, business management, advertising and sales management, digital marketing, human resource and development. Next, art humanities are of those who are interested in academic research. If you are creative and want to dive deep in humanity, then art stream is for you. History, political science, geography are the core subject for art student. Art now offer an array of career alternating which are equally rewarding as one of the offered by science and commerce. Career options for art students are product design. Second, media journalism, fashion technology, video creation and editing. Who interested in it? HR training, schooling, teaching, etc. Next, ITI, which is also called as Industrial Training Institute. They are training center that provide courses to students seeking easy employment just after completing school. ITI courses are great opportunity for students who wish to complete any technical course within a short period. By completing a course in ITI, the student is now trained in industrial skill and can earn a living by working in the same field. Career option after ITI. Job opportunities in public sectors such as PWS and others. Job in private sectors. Self-employed. Job in foreign countries. Further studies in their specialization. Now last is polytechnic courses. After 10th, student can go for polytechnic courses like mechanical, civil, chemical, computer, automobile. These colleges offer diploma courses for 3 year, 2 year and 1 year. Cost effectiveness, jobs within a short time duration are the advantage of diploma courses after 10th. Career option after polytechnic course, private sector jobs, government sector job, higher study, self-employed, own business. Choosing a career is one of the most important decisions in your life. The right decision at the correct time will help you to reach great high of success within a short period of time. So, it's very important for a student to choose the field according to their skill, interest and abilities. All the best. May you choose your career according to your skill and interest. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.